Alright, we're checking out the 2021 Lexus LS 500. It's been tweaked this year with new front fascia and rear fascias. And there's also some new interior options as well. So you got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto now standard, and a new touchscreen system, which we'll see shortly. They've also adopted some nice themes inside of the interior. They've also worked on the suspension and the noise, vibration, harshness to make it even quieter than before. So definitely going to keep this car competitive in this incredible segment of luxury vehicles like the A8, S-Class, and 7 Series, and even the new upstart G90. So here's the F-Sport. We just finished looking at the hybrid. So this has got its own front fascia, metrical looking design, pretty sporty theme. Now my only issue with this vehicle here, especially on the side profile, when you look at its counterparts, they have more of a presence to them compared to this car. This one looks like there's just too much going on here on the side. No denying it's a large vehicle, but the interior definitely is more impressive than the exterior appearance. You can comment below if you agree or not. Here's a side shot of the F-Sport. So it's got redesigned alloy rims. The engines are going to be mostly carry over for 2021. You can see the slightly revised tail lamps with the rear fascia on both models. There's a close shot of the front end of the car with the new headlight design. I like the way they incorporate the DRLs. You got the dual moonroof setup here. Typical features that you're going to see on the vehicle. Like I said, the interior is definitely more impressive. Here's some of the wheel options you can get on the car this time around. They've adopted some new design themes inside on the door cards. And front and center is the new touchscreen. And some of the combinations are very, very plush, very appealing. So I'll definitely give them kudos on that regard. Here's your F-Sport setup with the dual tone leather. Very, very inviting interior. Definitely their best effort, especially in this segment. This one's going to have the Automon feature, so it's got plenty of leg room. You can move the passenger seat forward and just really enjoy your seat in the back. Definitely like the contrast in colors and materials. Very inviting. And the digital displays are pretty crisp, and they do change the different options. You got adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a host of all driver's aids you'd expect at this level of car. Nicely detailed stitching on the steering wheel. Very elegant, simple controls. The only downfall here is that touchpad is still not really the best out on the market compared to some of its competitors. It's nice to see that this car still offers a CD player, and your HVAC controls are just above that with hardpoint buttons, so it's easy to access. Rear power shades and so forth, very typical in this kind of vehicle. There's your airbag system that are being deployed as an illustration. The graphics, so-so, I'd have to say, compared to some of the competition. There's your hybrid powertrain there, your twin turbo V6 with 416 horsepower, still made to a 10-speed automatic. Suspension components look pretty robust, high quality materials. Very typical in this category. So we'll see what happens. I mean, they've done some major changes, so ride and handling has been improved. Interior options have been updated. So we'll see what happens as the car does go on sale shortly. So thanks for tuning in, and we're going to have more videos to come soon.